Are you dreaming of that perfect IKEA home makeover, but are terrified of getting that dreaded credit rejection when you get to the checkout line? Let's cut through the confusion. I'm going to tell you the credit score you should aim for to get the IKEA Visa card, and the smartest way to apply so you can walk out ready to build. First things first, IKEA actually has two different credit cards, and you'll want to pick the one that fits your goal. The IKEA Visa is a regular rewards credit card you can use anywhere Visa is accepted. Then there's the IKEA Project Card, which is made specifically for financing those big, IKEA-only purchases. It offers 0% interest for 6, 12, or even 24 months, as long as you meet the minimum purchase amount. So what's the magic number for the IKEA Visa? For your best shot at getting approved, you'll want a credit score of 670 or higher. But don't stress if you're not quite there. Plenty of applicants get approved with scores in the fair to good range. Some reports even show approvals for the project card with scores in the mid-600s. It's not about having perfect credit, it's about being prepared. Here's my best tip to boost your chances and avoid a potential rejection. Before you fill out the official application, check IKEA's website for a pre-qualification offer. This is a huge advantage because it's usually a soft pull on your credit, which doesn't hurt your score but gives you a sneak peek at your approval odds. You'll find a clear pre-qualification option for the project card on their site. While the Visa card doesn't always have a straightforward pre-qualify link, it's always smart to look for one first. If you get the Visa card, the rewards are pretty solid for any IKEA fan. You'll earn 5% back in rewards on all your IKEA purchases, 3% back on dining, groceries, and utilities, and 1% on everything else. But here's the thing, those rewards are paid out as IKEA reward certificates. The biggest catch is the high interest rate, which can be around 21.99%. So this card is definitely best for people who can pay off their balance in full every month. So there you have it. A credit score in the mid to high 600s could be enough to get you in the door, especially if you check for a pre-qualification offer first. Figure out which card is right for you, plan your application, and you'll be building that flat pack furniture in no time. Before you apply, click the link on your screen right now and check your real credit score, the exact score lenders actually use. Don't rely on estimates. Review your full credit report and look for any errors that could be lowering your approval odds. You can access everything for almost free for 7 days. Tap the link and know your real numbers before you apply.